Techenergoprom Group continues to implement the silent way technology. This summer they are doing the reconstruction of the track superstructure in the capital of Ukraine, Kyiv. The next facility, which is undergoing a complete replacement of tram lines in Kyiv with the participation of Techenergoprom specialists, will allow launching trams along the renewed track in the Dniprovsky district of the Ukrainian capital in the near future. Hello, you are watching Techenergoprom News. Almaatinskaya street in Kyiv has become a new challenge for the specialists of the Techenergoprom Group of companies. The track on which the trams moved became more and more dangerous for passenger traffic year on year. The Kyivpastrans enterprise made a decision on the complete reconstruction of the track superstructure. A tram line with a length of more than 3 kilometers was subject to replacement. Techenergoprom Group uses not only modern technology at this facility, which is used to lay the track, but also modern materials. Delivery of these materials to the site in a technologically verified time frame guarantee the exact execution of the entire range of works on laying the tram line. So, for example, on curved sections at this facility, T62 tram rails are used, on straight sections are 65 railroad rails. Accuracy of deliveries allows carrying out work directly from the wheels. Technologies, materials and precise logistics – these are the parameters that allow us to confidently guarantee high-quality work performance without violating the established deadlines. These parameters are adhered to by the specialists of Techenergoprom Group. The people of Kyiv can be sure that soon trams will run along the renewed tram lines along Almaatinskaya street.